Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 advanced modestly on Tuesday to its highest closing day since 2023 began, as Wall Street digested a recent rally that led the broad index to its highest level in 9 months. The S&P 500 added 0.24%, trading near a 9-month high to finish at the highest closing date back to August 2022. The Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.36%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average eked out a narrow gain of 0.03%, as losses of more than 2% in Merck and United Health weighed on the blue chip average. In company news, Coinbase dropped more than 12% after the Securities and Exchange Commission sued the crypto company. The SEC alleged Coinbase was acting as an unregistered broker and exchange. Bitcoin rose more than 6%, according to Coinmetrics. This comes a day after the SEC alleged that Binance had committed multiple violations of securities laws, including mixing customer assets, operating an unregistered securities exchange, and offering unregistered securities. The flight underscores the jitters among traders as US authorities try to clamp down on illicit domestic crypto market activity. Apple shares shed 0.2%, a day after the tech giant debuted its highly anticipated virtual reality headset, as well as new software at its annual Worldwide Developer Conference. In the previous session, the stock hit an all-time high ahead of the announcement. Ford Motors is nearing an agreement to sell a plant in Germany, with 2 groups of Chinese car makers among the 3 leading bidders at a time when Chinese investments in Europe are under growing scrutiny. One of the bids comes from BYD Co., the largest domestic automaker in China, while another involves several smaller Chinese car companies, according to people familiar with the situation. The US carmaker and the German state of Saarland, home to the plant, are also in talks with a German solar component maker. Friday saw the largest Russell vs NDX Nasdaq 100 outperformance in 2 years. In addition, Bank of America said in its latest systematic flows monitor that CTAs were covering their outlier short position in the Russell in the recent days, with the pace of unwinds set to pick up this week. And Saudi Arabia is set to pump billions of dollars into the world's biggest professional golf organization to seal a stunning merger between its breakaway Live Golf and US-based PGA Tour. The merger, which some people involved said could amount to about $3 billion, underscores how Saudi Arabia has muscled into global sports through its use of oil-funded state finances. Overall, most US sectors closed higher overnight. Financials was the best performer, whilst health was the worst. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.3% rise. Thank you for listening.